Hi, dear children. Very good morning to one and all. All are fine now? Yes, very good. Then now I think now all are free, right? Because your monthly test over, right, children? Yeah. So we already completed our second chapter. What is the chapter? Kitab Ki Kahani. Okay. Did you read that chapter? I told to you read that chapter. If you have any doubt, ask to me. Did you read, children? Have you any doubts? No. All are read. Yes. Then I am going to ask some questions. What you understood from that chapter? Say. Yes. Say. पुस्तक के बारे में about the books, who invented the book, how they invented the book, what are the substance they used, yes, what are the substance they already made for to making the books, right? First, who invented the paper, right? Before, instead of paper, what they used in the earlier period, yes, yeah. Then next, what they using nowadays? Nowadays they using computer screen to publishing the book, with the help of internet, right? Yes, children. These are the things you already understood from that chapter, right? Who invented first? पहले क्रमबद्ध वर्णमाला कौन आविष्कार किया, है ना? Yes. Okay. Next, what? Yes, we want to complete our grammar portion also, right? So today I am going to take grammar part. Okay, ready now? Yes, all of you take your book and open it. Question answer I will send through WhatsApp. Okay, then look first grammar part. What is? पाठ के आधार पर रिक्त स्थान भरे. Fill in the blanks related the lesson. Okay, पाठ के आधार पर रिक्त स्थान भरे. Look, what are the things already going on there? फिनलैंड के लोग ने, फर्स्ट वन, फिनलैंड के लोग ने देश का आविष्कार किया. से व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? फिनलैंड के लोगों ने देश का आविष्कार किया. किसका आविष्कार किया बताइए? फिनलैंड के लोगों ने पहले क्रमबद्ध वर्णमाला की आविष्कार किया. क्या है? फिनलैंड के लोगों ने पहले क्रमबद्ध वर्णमाला का आविष्कार किया. ओके, हु इन्वेंटेड द फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट? हु इन्वेंटेड? फिनलैंड इन्वेंटेड. व्हाट इज द आंसर? पहले क्रमबद्ध वर्णमाला, द ऑर्डर अल्फाबेट. पहले क्रमबद्ध वर्णमाला. ओके, नेक्स्ट लुक. कलम की जगह डैश काम में लाई गई. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? इंस्टेड ऑफ पेन, डैश डू द वर्क. व्हाट डू द वर्क? डैश काम में लाई गई. I think the previous video I told instead of paper, right? No, children, it is not instead of paper. I am sorry, instead of pen. कलम की जगह मोर पंख की डंडी काम में लाई गई. Instead of the pen, they used the feather, peacock feather stick. Okay, instead of pen, they used peacock feather stick. Okay, instead of, I think I told paper, not paper, it's a pen. Okay, clear it when you watching the video, clear it that. Okay, listen what we discussed here. Second, कलम की जगह डैश काम में लाई गई. Say, yeah, very good. Now we discussed मोर पंख की डंडी. मोर पंख की डंडी. They used peacock feather stick. Okay. नेक्स्ट लुक, देश ने धातु से बने अक्षरों के टाइप का आविष्कार किया. कौन कौन अक्षरों के टाइप का आविष्कार किया? वी लर्नड वन जर्मन नेम. व्हाट इज दैट? या जोहन गटनबर्ग ने धातु से अक्षरों से टाइप का आविष्कार किया. कौन? जोहन गटनबर्ग. ओके. नेक्स्ट लुक, बाइबल के 190 प्रतियां छपने में डैश का समय लगा. हाउ मेनी टाइम दे टुक टू प्रिंट द 190 copies of Bible? से हाउ मेनी टाइम? 3 साल. 3 years they took to print the 190 copies of Bible. 3 साल. ओके. नेक्स्ट लुक, आजकल किताबें डैश पर भी छपी दिखाई देती है. आजकल किताबें डैश पर भी छपी दिखाई देती है. Nowadays, how is the book printing? Say, with the help of computer screen, right? Yeah, computer screen. Computer screen. Okay. Understood, children? I think all are understood. नेक्स्ट लुक, नेक्स्ट वाक्यों के आगे सही या गलत का निशान लगाए. देन सम सेंटेंस आर देयर. रीड द सेंटेंस केयरफुली एंड check it whether it is correct or not. Okay, true or false. Okay. Listen. किताब का अस्तित्व 5000 साल पुराना है. यस, सही या गलत है? ट्रू और फॉल्स? वी लर्नड व्हाट, हालांकि किताब 5000 साल पहले अस्तित्व हो चुकी. या यस, सो इट इज ट्रू. नेक्स्ट है, किताबों की दुनिया हमारी दुनिया जैसी ही है. Isn't it? Is it true? What we studied? Say, what we studied? किताबों की दुनिया हमारी दुनिया से सचमुच अलग है, सुंदर और अनूठी. What? Books world entirely different from the real world. सुंदर और अनूठी. It is a very beautiful and marvelous. Right? So, it is a wrong. So, it is a wrong. Second thing is wrong. First one is true. Okay. Next look. यूनानियों ने पहले क्रमबद्ध वर्णमाला का आविष्कार किया. Is it? Now we discussed first exercise. We just discussed what फिनलैंड ने पहले क्रमबद्ध वर्णमाला की आविष्कार हो चुकी. Right? So it is also wrong. Next one word. पेपिरस के पत्ते लिखने के काम में लाए गए. What is? Yes, it is true. No, they used the papyrus tree for the purpose of writing. Okay, so it is true. Next, कागज सबसे पहले फिनलैंड में बनाया गया. Isn't it? Who invented first paper? Who invented? Chinese. फिनलैंड सबसे पहले कागज का आविष्कार बनाया गया. नो. कौन? चीनियों ने सबसे पहले कागज बनाया गया. सो इट इज रॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट वन. टाइप कंपोजिंग मशीनों टाइपराइटर की तरह काम करती है. What? Is true or false? We studied. आज टाइपराइटर कंप्यूटर की तरह काम करती है. Yes, yes. So it is true. All are done now? Yes. in your pages. Then you have one exercise, Kagaski, Barbad, Rokina, that is not needed, that much not that much important. Okay. So next look, next which one? भाषाकन साइड. लुक भाषाकन साइड. व्हाट है? छपा गाना शब्द में गाना शब्द का अर्थ भोजन वाले अर्थ में नहीं है. यहाँ गाना का अर्थ जगह, घर या स्थान से है. इसे प्रत्यय कहा जाता है. We already studied suffix. Pratyay means what? Suffix. With the main word we adding some particular words, that is called suffix. Okay, that time maybe the words meaning will be changed. Okay, that is called suffix. We studied now. Here also telling that छपा गाना शब्द में गाना शब्द का अर्थ भोजन वाला अर्थ में नहीं है. Actually गाना means what? Food. Isn't it? Yes. Then or eat, food or eat. You many times maybe you heard bye ghana gaya. Yeah, like that. Okay, so ghana means actual meaning is what? Bhojan or food. But here छपा गाना शब्द में, here यहाँ गाना का शब्द जगह, घर या स्थान है. But here mentioning, here using what? घर. That means house or one place. Okay, इसे प्रत्यय कहा जाता है. छपा means what? छपा गाना means actually the press, printing press. That is छपा गाना. So here using the press were situated in one place. That is called छपा गाना. Where the press is situated, then here mentioning the Ghana means here mentioning where the press is situated, that place. Understood children? So, इसे प्रत्यय कहते हैं. Okay. ऐसे शब्दांश जो किसी शब्द के पीछे लगाकर, some words से जो किसी शब्द के पीछे लगाकर, when we adding with main words, उसका अर्थ बदल दे, the meaning will be changed. इसे प्रत्यय कहलाता है. We call it प्रत्यय. So look, then what are the suffix words are there in your textbook? Some words already is there in your textbook. You just add that word with the main word and change the suffix word. Okay. First one what? Id. What is id? Say some words using the id pratyay. Say some words. Surakshit, ligid and prabhavit. Okay. Textbook already there are some words. Prabhavit already is there. So surakshit, ligid. Ligid you always see in your textbook. Ligid maukhik, right? So next one, what? Ig pratyay. Ig also we can use. Ig. Say some words. Say some words. Ig. Baudik. भौतिक और ऐतिहासिक. ऐतिहासिक. Okay. So where we using this ig? Yes, this symbol will be this e. Okay. Instead of this e we using, where we using ig? Instead of this e we using this symbol, e symbol and this ka also. Okay. Next, ta. Ta word. What is the word? Say ta. Say manavada, mahanada, saralada. Yes. Manavada, mahanada, saralada. Okay. Yes. Next what? Avat. Avat. Using the avat pratyay make some words. आवट से सजावट, बनावट, लिखावट, बनावट, लिखावट. Okay, this instead of for this we using this symbol. Okay, but okay, what? Understood? Understood, children? Okay, listen next one. Next one, symbol Paryavaji Shabd. Paryavaji Shabd means what? One word has so many another words but meaning same. That is called Paryavaji Shabd. You already know, you studied maybe third standard onwards, you studied Paryavaji Shabd. Okay, nothing is not there, one word is there, so many another words also have related that word but meaning same. That is called Paryavaji Shabd. So, just we can discuss. I will send through WhatsApp that and all. Jungle means one, Kanan, Patta means Patra, Parne, Pustag, Kitab, Poti, Paid, Bridge, Taru. Okay. Next also Vilom Shabd. Don't want to more explanation anonyms. Okay. Then what are the words look? That also I will send through WhatsApp. Okay. Khyan, Akhyan, Paddi, Gaddi, Naitik, Anaitik, प्राचीन, नवीन, बाहरी, भीतरी, गांव, शहर, मौखिक, लिखित, सरल, कठिन. Okay. What do you need the meanings? Simple meanings, no? Jungle, forest. Paryavaji look. Jungle, forest. Patta means leaf. Then Pustaka means book. Paid means bridge. Okay. Sorry, paid means tree. Okay. Then Khyan means knowledge, Paddi means poem, Naitik, moral, Prachi, old, Bahari, outside, Gav, village, Maukik, oral, Saral, simple. Okay. Next look. पाठ में कुछ शब्द जोड़े के रूप में प्रयुक्त हुए हैं, जैसे भूख प्यास, भोग और प्यास. इन्हें युग्म कहते हैं. Some words are there in your chapter coming together. Okay. Then means intouchable words. Okay. That is called yugma shabd. Okay. That is called yugma shabd. Okay. Yugma means what? Couples, pair. Okay. Or twins. Okay. Like that coming words. Okay. Pair words. Okay. Look. ये एक ही आवर्ती वाले और मिलते जुलते अर्थ वाले युग्म है. What is युग्म? They are going to tell what is युग्म. Then ये एक ही आवर्ती वाले और मिलते जुलते अर्थ वाले युग्म है. Maybe it is a repeating words. Okay. Then what are the repeating words? Say some repeating words. बार बार, कौन कौन, क्या क्या. Say, isn't it? Okay. So maybe will come like this. Otherwise, milte julte artha wale. Milte julte means what? Intouchable words. Okay, intouchable words, that is called what? Pair words. Okay, intouchable or pair words, that is called yugma shabd. Okay. Then कुछ युग्म शब्द विपरीतार्थक शब्दों से और कुछ स्वार्थक निरर्थक शब्दों से भी बनते हैं. Then here some yugma words showing what? Viparitharthaka shabd, showing the opposite way. Otherwise, और कुछ स्वार्थक निरर्थक शब्दों से भी बनते हैं. Some otherwise it showing what? Meaningful or meaningless words. Okay, meaningful or meaningless words. That is called yugma shabd. Two ways yugma shabd will come. What are the two ways? One is opposite way, then another one is what? Meaningless and meaningful. Okay. So, sarthak or nirarthak. Okay. Understood now? Like that, some examples are there in your textbook. Look, oonch niche, idhar udhar, chai vai, hare bare. Oonch niche, opposite se. Then idhar udhar also opposite. Chai vai, but meaningful and meaningless words. Okay. Then sarthak or nirarthak. Okay. That is your homework. Understood, children? Okay. Then next look. माँ की शुद्ध करके लिखे. Then correct the sentence. Then sentence are there in your textbook, but it is not a correct. Some mistake are there. So what is the mistake? कागज की आविष्कार चीन में हुई. What is the mistake? कागज is a pulling, so we can't use कागज की. कागज का आविष्कार चीन में हुई, not हुआ. हुई is not the correct past tense word. Okay. कागज का आविष्कार चीन में हुआ. The Chinese invented the paper. Okay. Next one word. यूरोप के सभी देशों में पुस्तकें छपने लगी. What? यूरोप के सभी देशों में पुस्तकें छपने लगी. सभी already is there. सभी already is there. Then don't want to again use देशों. Okay. पुस्तक छपने लगे. लगी not. If it is a छपने, we want to use लगे. Okay. So what is the correct word? यूरोप के सभी देश, इनफ देशों नो नीड, सभी देश पुस्तक छपने लगे. लगे. Okay. लगे नोट. Then all European countries started to publish the book. Okay. Next look. भारत की प्राचीन इतिहास भोजपत्र पर लिखा गया. Then what? Only a simple mistake. What is that? Bharat, the country we mentioning as a pulling group. No, all countries. So Bharat का प्राचीन इतिहास भोजपत्र पर लिखा गया. Enough. भारत की नोट, भारत का प्राचीन इतिहास भोजपत्र पर लिखा गया. Okay. Understood, children? All exercise, nothing is not there. Then you have one exercise. What is that exercise? One assignment. Okay. Then draw a books, good books picture, and after that write what do you want to write? किताबों के बारे में आपका राय क्या है? इसके बारे में एक छोटा सा अनुच्छेद लिखिए. Okay. So I think now we completed our grammar part also. All grammar part we already discussed here. Then if you have any doubt, ask to me, and I am going to wind up this session. Okay, children, see you.